Is this... Ha! What the fuck? How? Why? Why even? Who is doing that shit? Who's torturing me? God fucking damn it. Now, normally you should hear me right now, guys. I'm so sorry for this delay. And, yeah. I'm fucking sorry. Let me know if you can hear it. Then we can actually start the show, you know what I mean? God damn it, man. I had the speech of my life. You know what I mean? There was in this 1 year of streaming, I had the speech ready. I prepared it in the shower, on the toilet. I practiced it before my kids. And now, my dogs. And now I did it and nobody heard it. That's crazy, you know what I mean? But it's probably not gonna be the only bug we're gonna encounter, because we're gonna do Advent of Code in C with Vim and no configuration at all. So it's basically, yeah, playing in the UFC with no arms, you know what I mean? Anyway, so who's here? Dimitri, what's up? Ibrahim, Ashton, Reef, Osama, Ibrahim, of course, Ilyas, Alien Dog, Nipuma, Tobichok. What's up, man? Yeah, it's gonna be a chill stream this time. Advent of Code, I don't think it's popular, but it is what it is. Sometimes you need to do what you need to do, right? Maybe it's gonna be a lesson of people that want to learn a programming language, like I said, C. I don't actually know C that well. I did it before, but it's not that I'm a C programmer, right? When is the last time that I wrote in C? I don't know. Somewhere years and years and years and years ago. And did I actually ever wrote in C something decent? No. So it's going to be a good lesson on the programming mindset and the building mindset, and yeah, right. Leave some girl to us. Yeah, so first of all, what we want to do, let's set things up. Or we actually, was this left backend? Why is this still open? Actually, boom, let's get it out of here. Or we press here, publish here, bam, that's fine. Alright, so let's go. So what we're gonna do first is mvim. Actually, to be honest, maybe we can make a touch main C here and mvim into this thing. Yeah, here, right? So let's do int main. Let's see if it works. I do need to compile this stuff and everything. I even don't have a fuzzy finder. I don't have a terminal pop-upper or file tree sitter. I don't have nothing, right? Just even though LSP, just some key bindings and syntax highlighting, groovebox. Okay. Yeah. So what we need to do is return 0 probably. I have no fucking clue. And then we're gonna say printf. It works. And of course this. Can we do printf without anything? I think we need to include something like std.io or something. I have no clue, guys. Actually, like this. And then we can do something like gcc main.c. Holy crap! Make. You see, it's already problematic, but that's fine. Okay, wait. Is it actually doing something? ls? Yeah, this. Okay, so we're gonna touch here a make file like this. And then make file. Don't really matter. So we're gonna say at gcc main.c at /a out. Is it that? It is. It's already done. Yeah, you can also do stdh with these brackets. I don't know. It doesn't really matter, right? Main C. You're gonna see me suffer, I swear to God, because fine. Bigger, maybe even bigger. Is a font fine? It's like the biggest font, maybe not even bigger. Look at that, like Soden, like crazy font. So now that the font is crazy, I'm gonna do an mvim again, so we clear the buffer. Actually, yeah, it's not. It's fine. Okay, Advent of Code. Let me see. I have the tab open actually here, right? So we're gonna read this thing. you're gonna see that I'm probably gonna spend a lot of time with this because, like I said, it's like I didn't prepare anything. People on YouTube, they most of the time have fixed it 10,000 times, so they can look like a bright diamond fixing this in 20 minutes. I have no clue, but I like it. You know what I mean? Just a little bit of a suffering. For the people that are not yet subscribed, consider subscribing to my channel, guys. Give me a thumbs up. Leave some comments. It doesn't really matter what it is, as long as we can boost it into the algorithm. And yeah, check the description. Full-time Go Dev still on Black Friday. It's still 60% off. Check that because next week it's gonna be back to the normal price. All right. So what I know from Advent of Code is that we don't need to read all this bullshit because it's just bullshit most of the time. And I have ADHD and my attention span is basically the same as a mosquito. So what I'm gonna do, they always have this example probably. So you need to read this thing or this thing, or maybe this thing. So let me quickly try to scan each. As they're making the final adjustments, they discover that their calibration document, your puzzle input, has been amended. Do we actually? Yeah. By a very young elf. God damn it. Who was apparently just excited to show off their art skills. You see, it's garbage. The newly improved calibration document consists of lines of text. Classic Advent of Code. You know what I mean? Open a file, read the file, do some stuff, shift things around, parse things, do some loops, and then print out some result. Yeah? Okay, the newly improved calibration document consists out of lines of text. Each line originally contained a specific calibration value that the elves now need to recover. Okay, each line, the calibration value can be found by combining the first digit and the last digit in that order to form a single two-digit number. This is already way too complex for a simple man like me. Let me read that again. One line, combining the first digit and the last digit. Combining, not summing, right? In this example, the calibration value of these four lines are 12, 1 and 2, 38, 3 and 8, 15. Oh. First and last, 1 and 5 and 77. Okay. I assume that if there is one, there's going to be the same thing, right? Okay. Okay. Fine by me. I'm gonna actually in.txt, right? I'm gonna mvim this in thing, and then I'm gonna copy these things. I'm gonna paste them in, save them, open main.c. And now we need to open a file. How do we gonna do this? I think there's something like, wait, there's one thing we can do, right? So we can use ChatGPT, but I'm gonna show you how I use ChatGPT because I don't use it to solve problems. I use it to replace Google. Like, hey, how do I open a file in C? And then I just copy, then I know what I need. You know what, you're gonna see, we're gonna use that, right? So I've already have this open. I'm gonna boost this thing. Actually, whoa. So, how to open file in C, no explanation, only codes. Enter. File as today does the same thing. That's what we have, and then have file. Okay. File. Is it the? It is, right? That's what I thought. File like that. Fine. F open. File is F open. How did we call that shit? In.txt probably. Something like that. Let's make real quick to see what's going on. Problems all over the fucking place. Oh yeah, of course. I'm R. Just like that. Make again. File. You see, it's already happening. Include SDIO. Is it maybe another one? Maybe it's another one. What a noob. It's not unknown file type. File, where is this coming from? Include something else. What a noob. What do I need to include? Wait, is it? Oh god fucking damn it, man. Okay, this we delete. Okay, we're good. So we have this file. And then we're gonna say if file is not null, yada yada yada. Okay, that's good. If file. I'm a little bit nervous. I couldn't lie, guys. What's going on here? We're gonna say return -1. Is that a thing? Or 1? Yeah. And then actually we don't care about this. And now we need to basically open up like I want to do var here. Isn't that crazy? How do we do that? Something like a char pointer buffer. No, something like that. Char buffer 10, something like that. I'm trying to do something, right? While how to read it line by line. It's like simple stuff, but it's C. Hey! Hello? It's thinking. It's 3.5 because 4 takes way too long. So we do it again, then click here. How to read file line by line in C. Fgets file size of line. Chart line, that's the same thing. Can we copy that? Problem is it's VIM and I cannot basically press save and it's going to how do you call that, format for me. So we're gonna be fgets probably. Okay, cool. It's gonna be file. Is it buffer? What's the line? File. Is that a thing? It's not no. In Golang we were already done, right? So that's that. Let me do a quick make, real quick here. Boom. Press enter. Wait, is that a A out end.txt, right? That's that. That's fine. Let's go with this. Yes. Probably have a problem, but it is what it is. Printf. So we're gonna printf percentage s probably new line. Can we print buffer here without any problems? Is that a thing? Make. Press. The font is super huge. So it's the problem is here, to be honest. Printf. Man, what's going on here? We need to hurry up. Help. Okay, help. Yeah. Okay, what's going on? Your file? Yeah. Maybe ChatGPT is borked. Yeah, it is. The problem also, guys, is here. That's what I hate with YouTube is. You see me do something, but it's delayed for so long. I don't understand why. On Twitch, it's instantly, right? So you tell 1 and you respond with 2, right? But in YouTube is 1 and fucking 1 minute later you respond with 2. It's fucking it's annoying. So what is going on is end.txt. It's like, is it not in the thing? ls cut in. Yeah, what's going on here? This is annoying. Wait, if file is not null. If file is null, what the hell is that? Who makes this? It's okay, cool. That's the basics, right? So we are actually spending 10 minutes and we don't even have a fucking file. That's the thing. Maybe a little bit smaller-ish. Yeah. Okay. So these are basically, yeah, my key binding is a little bit messed because it's a 0 configuration engine, right? So we have this thing. So we need to basically get need to check if this one of these chars is going to be a digit, right? Okay. How check is digit in C? Wait, what? Did they have an is digit thing? That's amazing. Include C type. Is that a thing? It's amazing. I thought we need to make some crazy stuff, but it's not. It's just the library. So I go. What is the C type? Huh? Yeah. Okay. And then we can just call is digit. That's amazing, right? So it's actually easy. What are we talking about? Can we actually? Yeah. If is digit buffer. Wait. We need to do a for loop. Int y equals 0 smaller than. Is there a len? That would be insane, but it's not. I'm pretty sure, but something like that. This is very important, basically, because we are complaining about our languages. TypeScript sucks, and Golang, and Rust, and Python, and Ruby, but we take so many things for granted that are actually back in the days are not for granted. You know what I mean? It's like, what the hell was that, man? So we're gonna paste that in here, right? And then we're gonna do something like that. Is digit buffer y? Probably something like this. No linten, no nothing. Let's save this. Oh man, boom, and then boom, something like that. Of course, len is not gonna work, but hopefully the compiler is gonna tell us what's gonna work. Implicit declaration of len. How to len of string char in C, something like that. You just talk dirty to that thing and it's gonna spit something out. Strlen. We include the string ha header too. That's how I use ChatGPT, right? I'm not gonna copy these things and yada yada. I'm just gonna see string ha, yeah, right? So we're gonna copy this, paste that in, and we're gonna say here. Okay, we can do it. Yeah. String ha, and then we can do string len. That's amazing, right? String len. Str, right? Let's make again, just to be sure. Yes, it works. And then we're gonna do just a quick sprint, print f like this, a percentage. There's something I know what we could do because I did some percentage. What is this actually? Is it a C? Is that true? Buffer what? 1, 2, 3, 7. That's true, right? That's amazing. Okay. Let's do the hard work. So, what do we know here? Advent of code. What do we know? We loop. There are probably smart people. Like I said, I'm a hacker. I'm a builder. I just don't give a shit. So I'm gonna loop 2 times, right? I'm gonna loop 1 time for the first letter, and then I'm just gonna loop again for the second letter. Digit. Agreed? I think if you really want, you could do 1 loop and if, else, and state, and yada yada yada. But so how do we do that? So each time while, because that basically means this while is each line. You know what I mean? This is each line, and that's the line. So we're gonna say int first, int last, right? And then we're gonna say here. This is so easy actually. What is this? In normal language it's easy because we need to do some conversions and all that stuff. It's gonna be fun. So if it's a digit, we're gonna say first is gonna be the buffer y minus 0. Why? Because this turns this into an int. You know what I mean? Because I think this is a char, buffer is a char or something. I have no fucking clue, but we cannot do anything with a char. We need an int, and then you can do -0, and then I remember that from when I was doing these CTFs. I think it works, right? Does it work? You see? Perfect. I'm him. And then we break here, right? That's the thing, huh? Isn't it? right? So we're gonna say here print f. The first digit is gonna be percentage d because it's in digits. Damn, this is annoying config, not gonna lie here. First, right? Yes. Okay. Let's do that. Boom. 1317. 1317. We're good. We are at the right track, guys. This is looking very good. This is looking very good. All right. That's first. Then we need to do it again. So we're gonna copy this thing, just like this. Up. And we're gonna paste that in. No linting, no formatting, no nothing. You know what I mean? How can we check the last character? We're gonna keep assigning that stuff to last, probably. Yeah, it's easy, right? Just last, and that's gonna be it, right? The first. So let's do this. Percentage D, new line, first, last, eternity. What do you think? Is that true, actually? Why is 77 working? Actually, what the hell is going on? How is 77 working? How is it? Huh? Is this a hidden character or something? What the hell? How? Oh yeah, because the first... Yeah, the first is 7 and then we do it again and the first is 7. This works out of the bat. This is amazing. Oh man, this is my lucky day today, not gonna lie. So we have the first, we have the last. So what we need to do, the problem is it's C. So we cannot do easy like functions like, hey, no, I think. Because we, what do we need to do? Wait. Produces, how do we? Adding all is, okay, it's just a total, right? The problem is this is going to be a loop. So we need to have some kind of an array. The problem is there is no such thing as appendency, right? Appending is because you need to know the size and you need to reallocate memory if it's growing. And it's, guys, I swear to God, append in Golang and append in every fucking language, even in Rust with these things, it's easy. In C, it's not. Even in C++, you have something like push back and on something. You know what I mean? Not in C, guys. You have nothing. You're basically nothing. How do we do that? Well, I'm gonna be a very lean and mean coder. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 solutions, right? 4 things. Well, I mean 4 numbers. So I think I'm gonna do this. Int lines is 4. Easy. And then wait. How do we... I want this, actually. I want this, actually. I'm gonna change plans. Number, whoa, yeah. Look at this, guys. I'm the most dirty programmer that ever existed on this planet, I swear to God. But I just make things work. That's what I do, and then yeah, it's just full of dopamine. So what we're gonna do is this. Now we need to open ChatGPT because it needs to tell me how to convert what is it, a char? How to convert char string to an int, a toy. You see, that's how I talk garbage to that thing, right? So it's gonna give me something. This is Golang. A toy. That's it. Do we need std lib? Is that something that we don't have? Nope. So we're gonna add that std lib. Man, this is amazing. Now we can atoy this thing. But first we need to do something like an shit. Can we just take, okay, char. Because we're gonna do this. F print S F no S print F. I don't know, guys. I'm just hoping that this is gonna work. Percentage S. No. Does that or integer? Yeah, Anthony, what are you doing? This thing? No. First, last. You're good. This is gonna return something. I have no fucking clue. What does sprintf return? Question mark. Result. Can we char buffer 100? What the hell is that? Result. Int. Oh, huh? Just an integer. Okay. Can we do this? I didn't know that. First times 10 plus last. Is that some kind of arithmetic witchcraft? Segmentation fault. I don't know. What am I doing here? Printf. Huh? First last. Guys, help me here. What's that? Why do I have a segmentation fault? Int. Sprint f next point. Oh, wait. Of course. We only did this thing here, right? No, we didn't. What's going on here? Doctor. We need a doctor right now. Percentage D. D. First, last. What's going on here? Yeah, it works, right? Int result. Actually, int. How do you call that? Yeah, fine. It doesn't matter. Res is going to be. Is this thing? Why? Can we do this and then run that? Charge strict formula. What's that? Passing argument 2 of sprintf makes pointer from integer without. This is interesting. First, that's an integer. Man. Oh! We need to. What are you doing, man? This needs to be some kind of a buffer, apparently. A char buffer. Charge. Look at this, what I'm gonna do. Buffer 3. Look at that. Charge. No, buffer. Okay, now we are here. Now we are here, guys. What the hell? See. Nice language, by the way. Shit, it's the same fucking thing. Char buffer 100. What the hell? Sprintf. Wait, well. And then we need to do this. God fucking damn it. Ah. Okay, cool. So let's print this out. Percentage D, right? New line. And that's going to be the result. Right, so now we have numbers, isn't it? Now we have numbers. Okay, to what? This is not what I want. Let's follow ChatGPT. What the hell is that? What the fuck is this? Chat? Misformatting argument, yeah? Oh, wait. What are we, why do we... What the hell is this? Of course it's 2. You fucking idiot. It's the buffer, man. Ha, Anthony. You see? It's buffer. But, yeah. Why is buffer a char tree? Oh, yeah. Wait. Yeah, of course. Of course. Chill. Chill, daddy. Chill. We're skipping steps. You skip a step. So, this is the buffer. This is fine. This is the buffer. Yada, yada. Now we need to do the converts. How did we do that? Now we need to do the converts. Atoy. Atoy. Buffer. And that's going to be int. Can we do that? Int converted. Number. D number. D number. Please type. Nervous. Choking. Copy some printf maybe. Printf. Okay, we are here. We are here. We are him right now. D number. That's what we need. And then we do make. If you can type it, make. Boom. All right. 12, 30. Yes. Okay. Okay, cool. Actually, we can do it in one go, to be honest. We could make another function, but we can actually do something like int total equals 0. Because if you don't zero this out, you're going to have big problems, I think. Let's print this as for later. And then we're going to say total plus equals the number. Isn't that? And then we're going to say total. I don't believe this. Is that true? 142. Wait. We have the solution, you fucking idiot. How are we gonna call that? Real.txt. Paste it. Woo! Hacking. See. Boom. Alright. Result is not result. You're doing it outside of a loop. Actual data is in the buffer. I don't know what you're talking about, guys. Probably from delay, but I have the solution. You know what I mean? It doesn't really matter. Like I said, there's a lot of delay. It's very annoying, I'm not gonna lie. Can we just change this file and it's all gonna work? No, Anthony, no. There's a problem here, right? I'm gonna tell you the little hacker thing. So these numbers 4 are basically the lines. But we don't have the lines yet. But Anthony, that's... I know. That's why we're gonna do a dirty way. So what we're gonna do is this. We're gonna do a quick dirty trick. I'm gonna do this. Total plus plus. Now we all gonna... You don't know what's going on here, isn't it? You're all gonna be... What the hell are you doing? I'm playing chess. I'm playing 3D chess right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this work. 4. Why is... Why is this 4? I'm confused. I'm not, because you have the fucking wrong file, man. Real. Okay, now we're gonna run this. Alright, so now we have 1000. So now we know there are 1000 lines, right? So we're gonna use this to basically replace it with this, right? And then we're gonna do this. You know what I mean? And then I'm gonna do this. And now I have this file. Now I need to double check that I don't know. I think it's gonna work. But I'm a little bit scared, not gonna lie. Ah, man! Hey, easy. How long? 38 minutes. Oh no, we had some problems with the music and all that stuff. Easy. But I know that part 2 is always the shit. The most... is always the most disgusting part. So let's go. I'm gonna, hey Twitchers, I'm gonna basically chat. What's up, guys? What is up, Twisted Seed, brother, the Crest Killing A13. What is up? Welcome on the Twitch. I'm confused how last work with going back without going backwards. Wait, let me kill this. Now we have the Twitch people on the side. Are they still here? Yes, they're still here. 4 people. -1 is 3 because I'm also viewing my own stream. Yeah, like I said, you could do this 100 million times. I did it this way. I did it my way. Okay? Now comes the real fun. I don't know what it is. We're gonna see. How worse can it be? How worse can it be? Alright. Let me read this thing. Where are we actually? Where is my fucking... Here. Boom. Part 2. Your calculation isn't quite right. Huh? It looks like some of the digits are actually spelled out with letters. 1, 2, 7, 8, 9. This... You got to be kidding me. Equipped with this new information, you now need to find the real first, last digit on each line. Wait. You now need to find the real first and last digit on the line. What is the real? What do you fundamentals? What do they mean by that? So I'm gonna assume that we now need to say 2 and 9 is gonna be wait. Here, example. 2 9 2 9 29 8. What the hell is this? 8 2 3. Calculating distances. I'm already thinking. This is fucking nasty. How are you gonna... ABC 1 2 3. So it's gonna be 1 23. That's false. What the hell? 1, oh yeah, 1 3 13 24 4 9 2 42 1 4. Okay, this is gonna be fucking nasty. Okay. Okay. What are we thinking here? What's the plan? What's the angle? I already did some calculations in the back of my mind. Remember, I have 2 personalities, right? So I can read, and the other one is already... I think we're gonna... Like I said, I'm the most dirty programmer. I would already say we're gonna loop 4 times or something. You know what I mean? I don't think that's the problem. But we maybe need to do an extra iteration. An iteration so we can determine if we are working with a real number. That's why this is confusing me, because maybe they are tricking me. No, they're not, because we did, yeah, Anthony, we did the examples. So let's say we're gonna check. We first gonna check if we are dealing with one of these guys here. Then we're gonna do that again, just like we did it here, right? We did it my way here. But then we're gonna compare the position in the string. And then we're gonna take the first, the last, eternity, sum them up, and call it a day. So we can sip margaritas on the beach, while everybody is still crying in their favorite languages because they cannot solve this. That's what I would do. You could also do something else, right? You could do you could say that's maybe I'm already thinking way too far. You could also just replace these things. But how do we then we need to rewrite them? That's what I probably would do in goal line. I would just rewrite all this bullshit. Right, 219. You make it just 219, but like digits, right? It's easy because you can just do. Right. Okay. It doesn't matter. You can solve it. Let's just do it, man. Let's just do it. Let's have some fun. This beat is sick. I want to take a ride on a disco stick. You know that song? Just that's like I said. I have really suffering from ADHD. It's like everything happens. You know what I mean? It's crazy. Let me quickly think. Okay, ChatGPT, help me. How to substring in C right now. Somebody said to me, random, paste the text file into ChatGPT. And actually, you could ask ChatGPT to basically replace it for us, and then read. But nah, we're not gonna do that, guys. That's lame. But actually, that would be that's insane. Who is this guy here? Who is this guy? The second example won't work with replace. You have 8, 2, and 3. Wait, is this the same file, right? Or am I fucking flipping here? Because we don't have a fuzzy finder here. We don't have harpoon. We have nothing. We just have E. Wait, can we do E? What is the real thing? No, real.txt, right? Oh yeah, it's in here. It's the same file. We're gonna see. Main on goal. See. All right, let's just do this, man. You could actually just ask, but that's cheating. We don't wanna do that because, you know what I mean? Then the show is already over here. What's going on? Did I actually ask it something? Yeah, here. Subster. So, how to check if the string foo is in foo bar bas in C. What the fuck is that? Stir stir. Who invented this thing? Stir stir. Holy crap. This is amazing, man. Isn't string H. Okay, what the hell is that? Stir stir. Can we make a function here? How do we make functions without how do we do that? Let's make a struct result. How do we make a struct int position? And we're gonna program, guys. We're not gonna. That's what I would do it. Probably the wrong. If we just can use, if we not can use something else like paste it in ChatGPT and all that stuff, I think it's gonna be a good solution. I don't have time to think about it too long because I'm on stream, and yeah. So we're gonna have position here, and then we're gonna convert it to a number. That's what I think we need to do. So then we're gonna say something like char. No, it's not. Yeah, it is. Char pointer. String numbers. How do we call that? No, we're gonna call this written numbers. Slice. Is that a thing? Can we do this? Equals 1. Can we do that? Is it gonna complain? I'm a born C programmer. I'm a born C programmer. I don't know how to do it, and I just have it correct from almost from the first time. Let's do 2, 3. 5, and then 6, 7, 8. It's probably a better way, but it is what it is. And then 9. That's the first, right? Let's see if we have no problems. It's fine. Okay, so that's that. Then we're gonna make a function here, and we're gonna call this function. We're gonna do it the C way, right? You could say strict yada yada. We're not gonna do that, so it's gonna be a void. And then we're gonna say parse number, parse digit. Yeah, that's fine. I mean, you can give it a buffer, a char pointer buffer probably, like this. And then we're gonna give it also a strict result. Something like that. Is that a thing? What happens if I do this? Because it's a void. It works. I'm him. So we have this. We're gonna do it here, right? In the first iteration here. First, last, eternity. Let's make some spacing. We're gonna say here result. Actually, do we need to do this? I remember that. Struct result. Just like that. Parse result buffer and result. Why and Anthony? Because if you don't do n, you have a segmentation fault. I think. I'm not sure. God fucking damn it. What is this? Implicit declaration in function name and defined reference to parse result. What am I doing here? Parse digit. And result. Incompatible type for argument 2. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Going on. Make please. Question mark. Shebang. Shebang please. Make. Muy bien. So what we're gonna do. Spaghetti. Arms are heavy, knees weak. Parse digit. So we have this strict, we have this buffer. What we need to do is the following. Str, isn't it? How do we do that again? ChatGPT. Haystack needle. Okay, cool. So we do for this thing. And then we're gonna say y. It's gonna be int y equals 0. Y smaller than 9. Guys, there is no such thing as a fucking len for an array, I think, without to do some nasty stuff. So I'm gonna say 9 because there are 9 things in there, right? Please, this is not Golang where you can just do len or something else. Or in Python you can just do len written numbers. No, that's not gonna work. Even size of is not gonna work. I think maybe it is. So we're gonna do 9, right? Y plus plus. I plus plus, just like that. And now we're gonna actually say str. But I think str should return more. If str. How to know position? Is it str? Result minus haystack. This is some witchcraft right here, but I understand it. Char result is that. Okay, there's a pointer, right? So we're gonna do that. Char PTR. Can we do that in? Let's do it here. Maybe it's wrong. I don't know. Str. Is it a buffer? Yeah. Written. That's the haystack first and then the needle. Okay, let's do the needle with the numbers. Actually, I saw an error here. It needs to be this, yeah? Numbers. Str. And then we're gonna say here PTR is this thing. Oh yeah, maybe you can code, yeah? Equilibrium. This pointer is gonna tell us. Wait. We're gonna say here. var. We're not gonna say var here. That's not what we're gonna do, Anthony. We're gonna say we have the result, right? Actually, to be honest, let's initialize this. Not initialize, I mean, the problem is that you're gonna see what I'm gonna do. Result, arrow, number equals -1, right? And then position. What are you doing? This is how you do it. Trust me. Return result. No, we can't. Because if you don't give in a pointer to your struct, then you're gonna. This is how it's done. Trust me. I think. Yeah. You could say, for example, you could result here, but that's problematic. You don't do that. It's gonna cost you a lot of hadishes. Don't do that. Just pause in a pointer and call it a day, right? Okay, result, and then we're gonna say here that the number of this thing is going to be result number is going to be wait, I'm confused. E plus 1, right? But why plus 1? Because 0 is not in this thing. So it's always going to be I plus 1 because array start, unless we're writing Lua. You know what I mean? If we were writing Lua, we could do this. I. But we can't. So we just plus 1. And then we're going to say result. This is going to be position. And that's going to be this crazy thing, this voodoo. It's going to be the PTR minus. Is it the buffer? Result minus the haystack. That's crazy. And if this doesn't work out, oh my god, look at that! The most crazy C code and it compiles. So parse digits, right? So what we're gonna do here is this. So we have this result. So now we're gonna say if, you could say if this result dot we could say number actually, just to check, is not -1, right? Then we're gonna do a printf, and we're gonna say here, this sounds that it takes long, but in Golang it was already done, or in Ruby or in Python we were already done. This solution was this easy solution, right? It's not too hard. I think, I hope, maybe I forget something. I know the solution. It's just finding a way to navigate myself in the shithole of C, right? That's what I'm trying to do here. So I'm gonna say found. What did we found? At position %d. And then we're gonna say new line to see if it works. New line maybe. That's this, yeah. And then we're gonna say result number and then result position. Is that a thing? Wait, help me. Help. No, what are you doing? You're jiggling too much. Okay, what the hell is that? This position sounds borked. Oh yeah, that's because, wait. It's not initialized. What's going on? Let's do this. Shit. It, of course, what's happening, guy? I thought we initialized that, for sure. I'm confused. Is it this thing that's working out? What's that? Huh? Wait. Found 9 at position 4. This is not good. What's that? What did we do wrong? Where did we go wrong? Wait, can we do the printf here to see if we're actually doing some useful information? Let's do this. Let's delete that. Here it always works, probably something like this. Oh wait, let's paste it in here. Let's save, no formatting, found, yada yada. Let's do these arrow things here and here. That's the same fucking shenanigans. Let's do that. Result pointer is const char. Let's do what GPT telling us here. Const char pointer PTR. Maybe I have some problems. Numbers. I plus 1. Let me do some dirty stuff real quick. What's going on here? What the fuck is that? I swear to God, it should work. So we're gonna just parse digit right from this buffer. It's gonna return as a position and a number, and then what we're gonna do is actually very simple. We're gonna loop here. We're first gonna check if we have a we're gonna parse the digits first, right? And then we're gonna loop here, and then we're gonna compare, right? So we're gonna say, oh, if it's a digit, then we're gonna check if we have, yeah. Then we're gonna check if we have something here. If we don't have something here, but no problem. This is the first. If we have something here, then we're gonna check if the position of this thing is before this position, and if that's true, then we're gonna take then we're gonna take this number. If it's not, then we take the other number, and we do the same thing here, but then for the last one, and then it should be fine. But let's see, and I cannot even write a decent function. What's going on here? Wait, so oh. Wait. But it's one buffer. Why are we looping? Oh yeah, we're looping to check if, yeah. Wait. Wait. We return, right? Just return value. We can't. It doesn't matter because there is nothing. Anthony, relax. What is this? Is it that? I probably don't think so. I don't know. I don't know what this pointer is. Why do we call it pointer? 0, 1. I see what's going on here. It's basically 0 or 1 probably, right? It's not. It's zeros all the way. Wait, is this buffer actually a thing? I want to see if this buffer is actually something, because I have no fucking clue. We can... Yeah, the buffer works, right? What is this 9? What is this 9 doing? It's here. Huh? Where is this other printf coming from? Wait, what are we? What the hell is this? What's my music going? Wait, so let's recap here. So what's going on? This buffer, is that, can we, can we do this? Because that's what we're passing in, isn't it? Yeah, it's the same thing, Anthony, you're a fucking idiot. This is fine, buffer is fine, result is fine. This is fine. Oh yeah, and I know what it is. We print this buffer in this loop, we can't, right? We can actually. Okay, this makes sense, right? This is fine. Is this the last thing? This 9lm? I don't know. Wait, what's going on? Real? Yeah, it is. That's the last one. Okay, that's good. Very good, very good. Okay, cool. Okay, so then we're gonna loop 9 times because we're gonna compare all these with the numbers here. Actually, you could break here, right? That's a good idea. It's not gonna save anything, right? What's going on? Break, why can't we? It works. Okay, cool. Position, pointer. I think this is the problem. Pointers minus buffer. Because A stack is this, and then we can just result, which is this thing. Oh wait, we could do if. Oh yeah, maybe we could do. Let's call this result because what is pointer even? Wait, we can't. What is going on? Let's pointer again. It's change of plans because we already have a result. So I think if we do if ptr, it's not null because it's like I said. See, guys, it's not the same thing. No, very hard, very hard. Not gonna lie. Can we do this? Boom, boom, boom. It works. Okay, that's fine, but. Maybe it's print in junk. That sounds a little bit better. So we have found 6 at position 18 in the last file. Is that a thing? Real, right? 6. No, that's not correct. How can position be 18, man? This is impossible. That's impossible. It's this PTR, man. Wait. Can we do this? I need some a specialist here, to be honest, because this is, I swear to God, this is the thing we need to do, but found 6 position 18. How is this even possible? How is it even an wait. It is. Why is it not? Because there are no, of course. Yeah, it's working. Buffer minus PTR, no, it's working. I was just confused. I thought 18, position 18, but it is. This is position 18. But I don't saw a 6 here. Of course, because there is no 6. It's this line. It's working. It's just like, it's fine. The question is, do we get these results here? We could write this in the same while loop, but that's gonna be, that would be a little bit too dirty, right? Found position at number. That should actually work now, right? Let's make again. Yes, that's what we need. That's perfect. Okay. So I think if we found one here, so we found one. Yeah, so we're gonna copy this thing because I think we need to check it here. Man, no formatting, this is annoying. That's why tooling is very important, right? Because so if it's a digit, and then we're gonna check if the result number is not -1, but basically means we have something. We don't need this thing. Wait, we could do an NN here, isn't it? Result position is smaller. No, it's not true because wait, we cannot do this NN because we have some case statements, some if else statements. So we're gonna say if result.position, if you can type, is smaller than y. I think. Because y is basically the length of this thing, and result position, if that is smaller than y, first equals result number, right? If that's not true, it's gonna be this. But whatever we do, we break. Agreed? Is that agreed? Okay. Let's do a make. Just to be sure. Yes, it works. It's fine. Habibi. 45 views for Advent of Codes. That's nothing. Normally, if we do something else, it's 110. It's actually, that's sad, isn't it? Isn't that sad? People don't want to see this. I can actually completely understand, to be honest, because we want to see this piece of junk. But it's, yeah. I mean, try yourself. A lot of you basically have tried Advent of Code yourself, right? It's not that easy. You need to think, you need to do. Try that on stream. Try that on stream. And try it and see. You can actually learn any language. You just need to, yeah, try out and trial and error and something. It's gonna be a battle with the compiler most of the time. That's the same thing. The same thing with all the languages that you don't know. It's completely normal. Not quite sure if that's actually gonna work because now everything is kinda, you know what I mean? It's ooh, yeah, yeah. Okay, now the last one. How are we gonna do that? Shit, I think we need to. I think we made a fucking mistake because this breaks on the first one, right? This breaks on the first one, you know what I mean? Yeah, if we find a result on one of those, we're gonna break, which basically means we're always gonna have the first one. So how are we gonna get the last one? You could do it very dirty by just copy pasting this function and remove the break. I think you could do something like first boolean. Are there bools in C? Is that a thing? I don't think so. Is that? Does bool exist? I'm quite sure. I'm confused. Wait, it's gonna be first is true, right? Can we do that? In the cloud identifier is supported only once for each function that appears without going on. Man. I'm confused here. Wait, this is not Golang, my man. I think bools work. You just need to do it like that. Wait, I think one is actually gonna work, to be honest. I think one is going automatically being assumed that's gonna be true. And that's welcome to the language where the sky's the limit. True, and if I don't think bool exists, not gonna lie. I don't know actually. Am I making a fool of myself with these booleans? Bool doesn't exist. Okay. Confirmed. Cool language. That blew your mind, didn't it? Huh? That blew your mind. The language with no booleans. Or maybe it's boolean. I don't know. What is up, Uzar? What is up, man? What's good? What's good? Will you try it in Rust? Include STD bool. Is that a thing? Yeah, okay. Okay, STD bool makes sense. But we don't need a bool because we're gonna use an int. But you're using then more bytes. Yeah, but who cares? Good catch. I mean, labudi. Can you try it in Rust? Why not? But I mean, nobody's watching these Advent of Code anyway. You know what I mean? Nobody cares about this. So why should I do it? You know what I mean? I think maybe we're gonna do that, but each time we do this Advent of Code, we're gonna pick a new language. Now it's C. Let's pick OCaml. People want to see OCaml. Let's pick OCaml for the next one. You know what I mean? Let's try OCaml. I don't even have never wrote a single OCaml file in my life. I don't even have OCaml installed. You know what I mean? This is something that's... I have no fucking clue how that thing works, right? So maybe we want to do that the next time. Okay, so I think, I'm not quite sure, but I think we need this int, right? First. So if first, can we do something like, it's fine. I'm gonna do it like I think. We're gonna do first is 1, then we break. Something like that. Is that? It's pretty funny, isn't it? Can I have the link to the Advent of Code, please? adventofcode.com/2023. Unless you want to do these from the previous. I think the day 1 of the previous year was way easier, I think. Or maybe it's because we're using C. That could also be the case, right? So we're gonna parse digit here, right? And then we're gonna do the same thing. So can we reuse this result without any problems? I have no fucking clue. So we're not gonna risk it. So we're gonna say result, the other result, and then we're gonna copy this function. Actually, to be honest, what am I doing here? I'm gonna copy something. What am I copying? This thing. Parse digit. I'm gonna paste it in here. Hop, 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 and I'm gonna give the last result like this. And then I'm gonna do this. Unnamed. Shit. Why do we need to prefix this with struct? Man, what kind of shit language is this? How can you not? Right, so we parse the last from that string. Then we parse the last digit from that string here. If we found the last digit, if we can do the same shenanigans. What did we do here? This thing. If, oh man, no formatting. Let's make it real quick. Yes. If the result number is -1, if it's not, and the result position of this thing is bigger than y, what happens if it's equal? You can't, right? Anthony, what the hell? You see? Talking to myself again. Now I'm gonna say that the last is this, else it's gonna be this. Is that a thing? I don't want to know even, because if this is false, If this is false, debugging this is going to be a pain in the ass. I can't even imagine that it's going to work from the first try. I cannot even believe that. So I'm assuming it's a problem. I'm gonna be so sad. I'm gonna be so sad if this is not the answer, because I have no motivation to debug this, to be honest. God damn! We failed. We are not him. Moving on. That happens, right? So now we need to debug this. I already predicted this. How can we have this right from the first fucking time? How can I go back? Hints for the subreddit. Don't think so. I'm going back in. Return to day 1. Wait. Oh yeah. Yeah, spot. Oh man, yeah. Let's try it on these things. Okay, cool. Why are we so idiots? Why didn't we do that? Okay. Let's open up. How does it called? In. Yeah, this one. Paste that in. Delete these. Oh shit. I think it's 2.9, isn't it? Yeah. Alright. Cool. And VIM again. A small problem de la firma. Okay. We need to open up this other file here. This code is so fucking nasty. I don't know why. That's the thing. If you write code like this, you better make it work from the first time, because you don't want to go into that, right? 109, that's what we have. We need to have 289, 281. So, let's go, wait. I know what the problem is. I don't know what the problem is. I wouldn't be surprised if I fucked something up with these 100 lines, but I don't think so. Let's print some stuff out. I think that's already a good idea. All right, let's do that. So, where are our numbers here? These are buffers. This is the number. All right, let's do that. Let's do a printf here. Width %d. A new line. Wait, a new line maybe? Yes, and then the number here. And then, yeah, something like that. 21, 20, what's going on? Are we 29? What the hell? If the result position is bigger, then why? Printf found digit last place. Results percentage D new line. Why? Yeah. Man, this font is so huge that I cannot even see what's going on in my printf statements. What's going on here? What is he telling here? Oh yeah, Golang. Golang, that's the Golang thing. Capital P. Whoa. This sounds like, what the hell, man? Wait, Suzy is telling me you're still not at the issue you will face later on when you get the examples right. Yeah, that sounds not too good, not too motivating, to be honest. So the thing is actually, I think the first is good. I think I have a problem with the last thing. I think it's this last result stuff. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to print it in here. It's very hard to. Is first is 1 is break, otherwise we don't break, right? If we don't break, we keep looping. If the point is not only have a result here. Okay. Okay. Print F. What's going on here? Percentage D. Boom. New line. Boom. E plus 1. Right. Pretty sure it's gonna work. Okay. Man, but why so many fucking print lines? Alright. 2, 3, 8. 2. Holy crap. So bad. Wait, I think we made a small mistake with big implications. Because we are parse digit. We parse it in the while loop, right? We don't parse it in the for loop. That's correct. Okay. So we call it actually a couple times. That's the problem, right? One for the I see. Wait, let me do not this one. So we're gonna have junk food. That's problem. 2, 2, 1. I swear to God, this is so straightforward. Why is it not working? Written numbers, why? But we know what it is, right? So we can print it out. Found percentage S, which is actually found this thing, which is that at position percentage D, right? So we found written numbers y I plus 1 at position the PTR minus buffer, right? Okay, we already have calculated that, but it's just for printing. Let's make this. Long, what has a long int? Is it this one? Is it LU? Oh, wait. This is an S. Okay. Wait, what's this, man? I type long end. Yeah, who cares, man? LD then maybe? I don't know. I'm him. Found 2 at position 0. Correct. Found 2 at position 4. Did I misspell 8? Nah. I know what it is. What? Wait, this is actually... This cannot work, right? I mean, it's going to check 2. It's going to check where it is, so it's going to find it. You know what I mean? Who comes up with it? Who wrote this code? I mean, who even thinks about this? Why didn't you guys even say something? Why? Anthony aged a decade tonight. Yeah, it is. Oh man. Hey, like I said, I don't care, right? It's fine. This shit happens. This happens all the fucking time, at least for me, right? Okay. All right. I would already go for this other solution where we just replace it. Right? If you can just replace it, wouldn't that be insane? Nah, I don't wanna do that. So this is so fucking. This is a little bit draining. So now I need to. It was actually a good idea to do this parse digit thing with this position. I like it. I like that angle. The thing is that this is just not gonna work with the substring. Actually, it is, right? Wait. I have an idea. I have an idea in my mind. It's gonna call it int the. I'm gonna call it int pos equals to 0. Actually, -1. We have this in result position, Anthony. What are you doing? I know, but. Wait. That would be confusing if I let me do my thing. Let me cook, guys. Let me cook. Let me cook. Pulse is -1. Look at that. What I'm gonna do is this. Then. Yeah. So, yeah. Result position, fine. So if we found it, we're gonna say that the position is going to be this ptr minus buffer thing, which is very weird, but it is what it is. And we're gonna say pulse here, just for the sake of. But we're gonna say that if no, we can't. Pulse is something like that. Are we overflowing this thing? Probably not. Right? Let's keep it easy. Let's take it easy. Let's see. You know what I mean? Because we're gonna say that no, we cannot do this, right? We can. No, we cannot. We can if the position wait. Oh man, this hurts so hard, man. Like my brain is did you thought so hard that you're gonna that it hurts. That's what I'm doing right now. Wait. This isn't gonna work, man. Can we keep this in memory? What's going on? Yeah, like I said, it's 1 hour and a half, and then my brain I cannot focus anymore. You wait. So what I'm trying to do is basically to check the position here, right? And if this position wait. Let me think real quick. I'm thinking if my move is gonna work. It's probably not. Yeah, why wouldn't it? I would do something like if result position is smaller than pos. Pos is result position. But what are we doing with this? Well, nothing, Anthony. You're nothing doing with this. The thing is, if you do this in another language, you have more helper functions that can help you doing these things. Like you have these helper functions. But now we need to loop and see if we can wait, because I'm lost. So what I actually want to do is I'm gonna check, right? So let me see. When do we need to we need to loop over all of them, right? Yeah. So we're gonna set as a memory here, but we only set them if the position is lower than the previous one, right? So we first need to calculate the position, which is basically a buffer thing. Isn't that true? I think that's true. So we're gonna calculate the position here. So we don't overwrite this. So what I'm gonna... Yes! Yes! We're gonna do this. Look at that. But that's also not true, to be honest, because... Wait. Because that can give us problems later on. If there's no result, we're going to have 1000, then we're going to check that, and it's going to be... So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set this... int pos is going to be the pointer minus the buffer here, right? And then we're going to say if result dot position small and pos results equals position. Can we do this? Yes, we can. What the fuck is that? What is even this? It's this. It's this. It's that. If position is smaller than result of position, result of position is position. Correct? Agreed? I think so. Then we set the number. We don't care about that. We don't care about this. We do this. This is not gonna work anymore. Delete that. We're looping here. We can't place it in here because we can. And then with the numbers Y, it's not gonna work. It doesn't matter. Because the only thing that matters right now is this. Is result is result position, is result numbers, result position. And now we need to fix the other thing and then it's gonna work. I swear to God, guys, I promise that we're gonna slay this beast, man. Like we never slayed the beast in our whole life. Okay, it's LD because Lars de Mars. Lars de Mare. Who's doing L, man? It's D. But still, it's not working, right? Found -1 at no. Yeah, wait. Yeah, okay. No. So, wait. Un momento, por favor. Écoutez-moi. This should be actually a higher number, but we take -1. Why? Because it's going to shoot us in the foot in the next function here, right? Compile is not going to help us. The linter is not, nothing is going to... And C, you're on your own. You know what I mean? You're on your fucking own. Handicapped. That's what it is, right? So you basically have a pistol that shoots the bullet in reverse. So if you shoot in your own fucking face. That's what it is, right? So we're gonna check that. Basically, if the position is smaller than the result of position, or the position is basically, or the result position is going to be -1. Fair? I don't know. Let's see if that's gonna work. Okay, we found 2 at pos 0. Yes, we found that. We also found 8 at pos 0. Yes, that's certainly true. We found 1 at pos 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Yes! We found 2 at pos 1. Yes! We found 9 at pos 2. At 1, yeah? We found 1 at 1. And we found 6 at 6. Merci beaucoup! Maar we zijn er nog altijd niet. But we are not there yet. Alright. We're gonna drink a little bit of this special water. It's gonna be natuurlijk mineraalwater van de Boni. That basically means garbage water from a very cheap product in the Colorado. In some store in Belgium. But it tastes good, you know what I mean? Alright. Okay, now the only thing we need to do is find a way to find the last one. Which is... Man, I'm so keen to do this. I swear to God, like... I had enough. You paste it again, parse digit reverse. You know what I mean? Parse digit lost. Give a child a fucking name, yeah. Something like that. You could say, yeah, but now we don't need this first anymore. True, so we're gonna delete that. We copy everything, just because we are done. We don't care anymore. Wait. Now we're gonna fix this real quick. There are some errors here. No linting. Try yourself. There is nothing that tells you where the error is. There is nothing that tells you how to write stuff. There is nothing here. And still, we are managing to slay this beast like we never slayed before. You know what I mean? So here is the problem. This Boolean. I remember that. I remember it. I remember the Boolean incident. Where is this other one? Here, it's already coming out. That's exactly what I mean. Actually, I think the logic works. I think the logic stays the same, right? I think this logic stays the same-ish. Not sure. We're gonna see. But now, actually, parse digit, and then this is gonna be parse digit lost, right? Because we are actually Word developers. Yes. Let's do a quick a quick make actually to see how far we are. Yes, we are good. We are very good actually. What key do you use? Keyboard. Corsair KGB Mini. Corsair KGB Mini. Which is good. It's a good keyboard. I swear to God. I have the Razer I have the. What's going on? I'm basically working. I have the Razer. What is that? The Razer Huntsman Mini. Spacebar. Right. This is a very clicky keyboard, a very good one. Very, actually one of the best I ever had. The Huntsman Mini. Very good one. But the one I have right now is the Corsair KGB Mini. I like it a little bit. It types a little bit smoother. It types a little bit less clicky, a little bit more tactile. It's also a bit modded. I dumped some tape in it, but hey, it's fine. Alright, now I have no clue where we are. Parse digit lost. Okay, that's parse digit lost each. So I think we can do something like the same shenanigans, right? We keep going. But if the position needs to be bigger. I think we don't need this now. Delete till end. Isn't that? Is that? So let me check if this works, right? Unexpected identifier at line 45. Here. Why? What did we do wrong? Where did we go wrong? Here was that. What the hell happened here, man? What the hell is going on here? Am I in this? I'm in the pause digit function. Ah! Revert! That sounds good. That sounds good. Did we make something special? Huh? Unexpected identifiers. What are you talking about? Huh? Okay, we copy pasted something and everything is it's game over. You know what I mean? It's GG. We copy pasted something. Let's delete this real quick. Let's do it. What? Holy crap! Of course, now we don't have it. Yeah, I see. Okay, now we need to debug that. So if pointer is this, and then we have an if here. So it basically means we have a for, an if, and an if. 1, 2, 3. That's fine, right? This is this if. This is that. Let me see. Just remove the bracket. Why? You have this. You are in a void. You know what I mean? You are in this function, right? How can I? Wait, can I do delete inside? Delete inside this, huh? Oh. What the hell is that? Nice, without linters, life's so fucking good. I'm gonna fucking lie, yeah. Alright, what are we doing here? Position is the, Okay. We need to comment that out. Found 9, losing 4. Yes, found 3. Yes, nice. Found 3. Yes, nice. Found 4. Perfect. Found 7. Amazing. Found 8. Perfect. Found 6. Beautiful. Alright. So, I think it's working pretty fine. Right? Let's do one more this thing, the first one, and then we need to do the calculation, right? Make. Ooh. I was pretty convinced this function worked. A couple minutes ago. So I'm pretty sure this function was perfectly fine. Why? What about 1/8? That's not 18. If 1/8, if this guy, somebody said if 1/8, if that's 18. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. That could be a problem. That could be a problem actually, because we're gonna. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's gonna be an issue. Yes. But the thing is, something is, I don't know. Oh. Guys, this was working perfectly. The only thing we did was copy, paste it, this function into this function, and we swapped around these things. Oh wait. Wait, is this working? I'm so fucking disappointed. Somebody need to somebody basically need to rewind the stream to see what's going on. I swear to God. Some Sulek. Is this still part 1? No, this is part 2. And part 2 is almost solved. The problem is somebody just fucked up our code without any. Sparse digit. I swear to God, guys, this worked perfectly fine, right? Maybe it's the same pointer or something. I don't know. Let's do this. Let's do not do this. Let's do not do this, right? You know what I mean? And then we do this. Make boom. Okay, no, it's not that. So why is this not working here? What's going on here? Huh? If the position is smaller than the result position, or the position is -1, we set it, right? This is garbage now, right? This is an initialized, whatever the fuck that may be. Wait, we are missing some codes. What the fuck is going on, man? But there are no linters, there is nothing, so I cannot see it, man. It's like, what the fuck? How can one do this with staying sane? Wait, there's everything is gone in this code. How is that possible? We need. What the hell is going on? fun, they say. Huh? Did I fix it, guys? Am I him? I'm him. I'm him. And did you see how I fixed this? Just like that? Did you see that? So, boom, boom. Did it. Easy. I'm the... Where is Trister? Yes, Trister was just... gone. Okay, now we have it, right? So let's delete these things, these print statements. We don't need these boys anymore. Actually, let's keep them in. Let's keep them in. You never know, right? But let's comment them out. You know what? Okay. So there's one more problem, and that's gonna be: is that thing inside us? Is it how do you call it? Real.txt, right? Is it? I'm gonna search for 1.8. Okay, we have one. Oh, we have multiple. Yeah. Merci, eh? $2, man. 2 hours for this easy thing. But we had some C shenanigans going on, and shenanigans. Yeah, 1.8, eh? Yeah. How can we? Well, I think keep it dry, but we don't. You know what I mean? Actually, what we could do is we could use our 1 here, right? And then if 1, we could reverse these things here. But hey, fuck it, man. We'll do it like that. That's fine. That's good enough, right? What, double pasted? What did I double paste? Oh yeah. God fucking damn it, man. Thank you so much, Labudi. Amin Labudi. Thank you so much. Let's do a quick make here. Yes. So wait, we are almost there. I think the only problem is the 1.8, right? Which if nobody said it to me, I just did not realize, to be honest. Well, I would realize it, but I would realize it 3 hours from now. You know what I mean? No, I would first copy paste my result into the thingy, and then it was again wrong, and then I would basically be so mad, and then I would probably figure it out that it was that. Something. There are fucking ghosts in my house, man. I swear to God. Okay, so we're gonna do this. Basically, we parse this thing, right? But we have this chart pointer. That's amazing, actually. So we have the previous one. Can we do this? Charge. No. Pref. If they could give different examples, it would be less confusing. Yeah. So now I need to find a way to fix that. The first thing, I cannot even think anymore. The first thing I come up with is basically keep this in memory, what the previous was. So basically, and just, my solution is not gonna work for everything, because I'm gonna assume that if the previous was 1 and this one is 8, wait. I'm already wrong. This stays the same. This doesn't change. It doesn't change. It changes here, right? First and last, of course. But wait, is it actually... Because I'm a little bit confused here. Because in this case, it's not gonna matter, right? Wait, do we have... Let's open up... Wait, how does it call in? Are we parsing this? Yeah, we are parsing that, right? There's no 8, 0, none. Okay, cool. That's it. Fine. Okay, so... man. Make. Is it 129? Because it's gonna work in that example, right? Are we reading it right then? Probably it is. In. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Okay, cool. Double confirming this thing. Shit, man. Even that's not working. Tennessee's. I don't want to be it anymore. I don't like it here anymore. I swear to God. Oh man, this is so disappointing. I wanna get some nicotine in or something. I don't know. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is yeah, maybe it's right. Actually, Susie is right. Print first and print last. And call it a fucking day. And see what's going on. Yeah. I was already trying to print a little bit more in depth, but why not, right? The first one and the last one, a new line, and first, last, right? Something like that. 2, 1, 2, 1. What the hell is that even, man? Okay, yeah, I see. It's the last one that's the problem here. I see. It takes this, but we need to take this, right? But we know that this works, right? Let me say 2. Oh. Ooh. That's some fucked up shit. Wait, we don't even parse the last one. Why are these things working with... That's so crazy in this language. You just comment something out and everything just works. No complaint. It all just works perfectly fine. No big of a deal. In what kind of language can you do that? What is that, man? Still a problem. And probably there are so much of these problems somewhere in this code where it's fucked up, because let's do a recap here. So we are 100% sure that this kind of works, right? The things. The first one works. If I do this, boom. So we're gonna have 9 at plus 4. Wait, this is the last one. Is this the last thing? Yeah, this last digit, right? 9 at position 4 works perfectly fine. 3 at 7, perfectly fine. 4 at plus 7. Where the fuck is 4? 9, 3, 3, 4 at 7. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 7, 7, 7, perfectly fine. 7 at 10. You see, 7 at 10. So the last one works. The first one works. The positions are correct. What the fuck are we doing wrong? Even parse digit, the same thing. These are working. I think it's just the logic a little bit below the code that's a little bit off. By just a millimeter, you know what I mean? 2 at 0. Perfect. 8 at 0. Yeah, this all works, man. It all works. It's fine. 3. Yes, exactly. 1, 2, 3. 3. The issue is where you use parse last. I don't think. Well, I don't think it's a problem here. I think these are fine. We just printed it out and it prints out perfectly fine. The problem is rather somewhere down the line. Here somewhere. Somewhere with this, with it, whatever the fuck this is thing. If this is a digit. Only if there is a digit we check. But wait, if there is no digit, we are fucking... You don't know digits, so what you gonna do then? Nothing. Exactly. So if there is no digit in this buffer, then we assume that the first is going to be the result number, isn't it? Maybe it also, but that's lost. Okay. Where the fuck is 2 coming from, man? Stay calm. Stay calm. Breathe. Stay calm. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. It's minor things, guys. It's so close, guys. It's this, and you know what this is because you see this every fucking morning. Yeah. No, it's not hard. I mean, the problem itself is not hard, right? You know what you need to do, right? That's so. In program, you have 2 things. You have, you know how you need to solve it, and then you need to translate that to code. But we know how to solve it, right? But we cannot. Well, we are trying to write it in C. The problem is, what you guys, yeah. So the problem is that my font. This is one function on my screen. You know what I mean? This is like too big, so I cannot see the global picture, so it's hard for me to debug, to go back and forth. Plus, of course, I don't have a linter. But nonetheless, I'm not on the right track, right? I'm not performing as the GG should perform. I understand. So this is not an excuse. It's a statement. But okay, let's go back. So let's take it. Sometimes, so this happens a lot in coding, right? This is not the first time. It will not be the last time. This is basically the story of my fucking life, right? I eat. This is where I feel the most comfortable in these situations. This is where I like it to be here. You know what I mean? This is what drives me. This gives me erections. I'm horny right now because of this situation that I'm in. Yes, it is. Back and Fort Mondeo. Correct. All right. Let's go. All right. What we're going to do is as the following. We are going to stop using the last. We first gonna check if the first is correct. Here. Jawel. We paste it in here. Only the first. Percentage D, and then a new line. Delete till this thing. Okay, cool. That's the first, right? Let's gonna see if that works out. Can we please, guys? Can I? Yeah, muscle memory. 2 8 1 2. 2? Did I? Wait. 2 8 1 2 8 1 2 2 1 2. This is why is this 2? This is wrong. 1 7. Okay, there's a problem here. The last and first var should be inside an else statement. That could be. Wait. The last and first var should be inside an else statement. Yeah, something is wrong here. That's for sure. Let's revisit this a little bit, right? If the problem is here. If this well, no. If okay, it's fine. I thought my dogs were, I don't know, eating somebody alive. If this is a digit, if the result number is -1, not -1, if the result number is not a -1, it means that we also have in that string that we found a digit written thingy, stringy. So if the result position is smaller than I, and the I here is basically the position of the digit, result position. If this is smaller, how can it be? Then it's this one. Wait, this is niet an else here. So What is this else then? Well, I don't know. I don't want to think about it anymore. I just want to press make and see what's going on. This is gonna be 1, 2, 4, 1. Okay. So it's looking good. It's looking good. 2, 4, 1, 7. 2, 2, 4, 1, 7. Yes! But we are still not there yet. A stupid else statement. Look at that. Look at this code. Who can read this thing? We can. The same thing here, right? Oof, we had an else statement here. What the hell is that? That's wild. What the fuck? Does it mean that we can just make and 279? No! We're so close. But that basically means that the first is working. So it's going to be the last one here. 2, 8, 1, 2. 2, 8, 1, 2, 4, 1, 7. 4, 1, 7. Okay, cool. We got that. We got that smoothly. But now, the font is so big that I have no clue what I'm doing, where I am. Try it. And I wish you the best of luck. Now we're gonna do this, and now we're gonna use the last one. These. Yeah. I'm always mocking this dude. What's going on? I cannot read because this heart. You see this? I'm the high school bully. The high school bully? Well, I'm not in high school anymore, so you cannot bully me technically. You know what I mean? Hey. As long as you're not Sam Sulik, it's all fine. The last. Alright. Now we're gonna check the last, and then it should work, right? 2, 8, 1, 2. No. Nine, 1, 6. 10. 1. What the hell are you talking about, man? 9. No, okay, so this way something out of it. Alright, let's see the last one. So we're gonna do if is a digit. Right? If it's not a digit, it needs an else, man. It needs to be an else, man. Six, 1, 9. 6, 2, 8, 1. It's the same thing. 2. It's not good, man. Wait, is this the last? Yeah. Okay, cool. So if it's a digit, if it's not a digit, then it's a result. That's for sure. Yeah, that's the problem with these where we have no digits. Oh yeah, we did that. I hope you get segmentation faults. You can have one instantly if you do in the main somewhere. You can do one thing. Actually, here, look at this, guys. Here. Here. Like this. Wait. But you can also run it again, and if you have chance, it works. If you have chance. if you're lucky, it works. I think sometimes you can make it work. Wait. I swear to God that you can actually sometimes. That's fine. It's not. You want your segmentation fault? Well, there is your fucking segmentation fault, right? Easy peasy. You know what I mean? Anyway, so you named your var last result, not result. That's why I do. Yeah, well, this is why you use Rust for these things. That's true. You named your var last result, not result. Man, this dude here or girl, I think. So sorry, I'm in Labudi. I think you're a man. It doesn't really matter who you are, but your name sometimes, Amine, I don't know, Amin, is basically on point because he catches the weirdest bugs on the other side of the fucking planet. That's crazy. Give this guy, give a shout out in the chat for this, for that person, man. That's insane. I'm gonna lie. That's crazy, man. Not boy. Amine. I mean, I don't know. Your guys, you you have the weirdest names from all these countries. I cannot pronounce these things. You know, in my country they call Jan, Peter, Bob, Rob, Seppe, Matthias. Easy, right? It's easy. Janine. You know what I mean? But in other countries, they have these special names which make sense because yada yada. But yeah, then like a poor little boy from Belgium need to guess. Well, thank you, Mrs. Labudi. That's nice that you... Okay, so we have a problem. Yes, of course, we renamed this last result. This can happen in any language, right? No, that can't. In Rust, you can't. This wouldn't happen in Rust, I think, because you're gonna have yeah, it's not gonna happen. That's why these numbers are so weird. These, you know what I mean? These numbers were really off. We have the same fucking 279, which is not what we need here. It's probably this. It's probably this last number we need to have. Nine, 3, 3, 4. That's 2, right? 7. Russ screams at me every 2 seconds. Wait, there's one more problem here. Last number is not -1. Last results. What is that? What the hell is that? Last result position is bigger than Y. Wait, what is this? Wait, is that a thing? No. Man, why can it not just work? God fucking damn it, man. How hard is it? How hard can it be? That's why you basically take your time and make your code decently most of the time, like a little bit of abstractions, but I cannot do it in this language. I cannot abstract this code because it's gonna yell at me every fucking time. It's just one small problem that I cannot see. 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3. 3, 3, 9, 3, 3, 4. Perfect. 7. So it only happens when there is a, this is 6 is fine. So it only happens when there is a number after the thing. So why? We check every number, right? Ja, semicolon. Domme. Godver. No, I need to do. Can I do this? We can. We certainly can. Yeah, this is 1. There is nothing here, right? So it's yeah, 2. Yeah. 3, 3, yeah, 4, 3, yeah, no. What the fuck is that? What else going on? Okay, cool. Enough squeakers here. Come, fix my code. 3. 3. I don't understand. I don't know. I cannot pronounce that. It's like... It's every stream the same thing, guys. Every fucking stream, you guys are laughing with my tree pronunciation. It's enough with this tree thing. Man, my brain, man, I feel warm. You know that feeling? That you feel warm? It's like, ugh, you don't want to be here anymore, right? You just want to disappear from the stream. But how are you going to explain that, right? Okay, we are almost there. Please help me. Hugo Daniel, thank you so very much. Hey, I recently found your channel. Your Go videos are stupid good. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Hugo. Welcome to be here. What's good? Right now we're suffering. I cannot even think anymore. There's a problem with this number here. It's digit buffer. And then we stop. Why is that? Why are we doing that? Man. I don't know, guys. I can't. I swear. I cannot even. There's something here. There's something here with this number here. Look at that. What's gonna happen is here, because I don't wanna. There's 4 here, right? If you look at the example, this is the 4. Wait, is it this maybe then? It is. It's a problem in this function here. This function is a problem here, actually. So what you could do is, if you have a problem and you don't know what to do, you delete everything. You know what I mean? Do you really need those nested if else's? No. No, but I don't want to touch them. You know what I mean? It's like girls that are not aged 18. You do not want to touch those. You don't. You stay away from them. The same thing here. We wrote these things, and now we need to stay away from them. That's something we did ourselves. We made the promise like, hey, we're gonna write this quick and dirty, but it needs to work from the first time. Because if it does not work from the first time, you are fucked. Because then you need to go in. And most of the time you're gonna add more else statements, or you're gonna delete it, and it's gonna be such a mess. Nobody knows. This is legit the program. This program is one of these programs that you basically, the moment it compiles and the result is fine, you never ever open that file in your life again. You know what I mean? You never ever do that. So let's delete just the whole thing then. You know what I mean? And rewrite it. What are these zeros coming from? Oh, there's the totals. Is that? Nah, we can't. Where are these zeros coming from? Oof. Each. One, two, three, four. What? Oh yeah, but oh yeah, I see what's going on. This is the wait. This works. This thing. Cross check mark. Done. This thing problematic. Is the problem is already here? Is digit buffer Y? Wait. It's the same thing. Should be the same thing, right? Yeah. Okay. So what we want to see is, I want to actually do a percentage S here because I want to have the buffer in it. The buffer itself. Bytes buffer. Zone 8, 2, 3. Whoopa, whoopa. Hola. 4 numbers. Yeah. Okay, now we need to check. Minus this. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. We cannot do bufferie, man. Bufferie. Mijn naam is Anthony. What is he doing? I'm just I don't know. I'm alive. That's the only thing I am right now. I'm nothing more, nothing less. I'm just alive. I'm here. I'm not him, but I'm here. Last one. But that's gonna be the last of the digits, right? Yes. It takes the same. Okay, fine. Why not? It takes the same. Two. Yes. 3. Yes. 2. Yes. 4. Yes. 7. Yes. I don't know. That basically means there is some kind of shit thing, right? A shit thing. So now we're gonna say I don't understand. Secret. Yeah, me neither. Welcome to the club, actually, to be honest, guys. Welcome. But we are there. It's just this stupid thing, and then it's done, right? And I cannot even focus anymore because it's 2 hours and 30 minutes. How did you calculate this position? Oh, it's Y. Right. But the last keeps going until it's... if result number is not 1, that basically means that why you redefine buffer in button with char 3. What is that actually, this one? I don't even know what it is anymore. This was the, oh yeah, this is for the conversion of the, this is for dumping in, because you cannot even use 2 here, you know what I mean? If you use 2, it's gonna complain. I think it needs to be 3. Output between 3 and 23 bytes, you know? So, I just picked 3, you know what I mean? 3, 4, 3. You can take 4, you can actually take 5, why not? It's gonna be the same thing. But we pick 3. Favorite number. Oh yeah, so we do this special result syntax here, but we don't need that because we need a dot because it's not a pointer, right? So this, the only thing we need to do is this thing, is fix that, right? So if it's not a number, if the number is not -1, it means that we have something. So now we need to change the position. If results dot position is bigger than y, then we're gonna say that last is sowieso definitely result dot number. Oh yeah, it is. That's that. But what happens? Let's handle this if statement. What happens if the result is not a number? If the result number is not -1, is -1, there is no digit written, that's easy because else it's certainly buffer y -0. But okay, we have a digit written and it's bigger. What if it's not bigger? Then it's also this thing. But do we need to have these if-else statements? I'm alive. Nothing more, nothing less. But what if this is not a digit? Well, lost. It's the same code that you had, Anthony. I swear to God, it's the exact same piece of shit you wrote 10 minutes ago. And now, you're gonna do it again. I had enough, man. I miss basically 3. Isn't that coincidence that I miss? I'm 3 off. Isn't that weird? You're 2 off, man. Go to sleep. Nonetheless. I'm done. I'm done. I swear to God. I don't want a beer anymore. Oh man, I'm so fucking warm. Oh my goodness. Hot. I'm so hot. Right now. Sounds like a Johnny Sins movie, no? Ah! Yeah, so guys, listen. If somebody rewatches this video and you find the bug, let me know in the comments. If you think that I'm a loser, let me know in the comments. If you think that I failed as a programmer, let me know in the comments. If you think that I need to be cancelled on YouTube, let me know in the comments. If you think I can never touch C again, let me know in the comments. If you think I'm not him, let me know in the comments. If you enjoy to see me suffering, let me know in the comments. Lost is missing in Elsa's, okay. But Mrs. Laburi is gonna fix it, and she's gonna fix it right now, I swear to God. Sorting will help, mates. We need sorting because he's used to code in this big font. He's just way small. That's true. That's true. I'm not gonna deny that. But wait, what did you say is missing an else? Where is missing an else? Lost is missing an else. Where? For if. God fucking damn it. Another else. Reminds me to Tantals. That's crazy. My aunt also calls else, and then I call her Tantals, and then we all in once. So if it's not a digit, then it's guaranteed this again. But what is this? It's the wait, I'm confused. What is this thing? Where is that coming from? Who wrote this code? This is wild. Oh man, I swear to God. What are you doing? I can do like this. So I can actually end the stream like this, right? So and then +2 like this, and then yeah, yes, 281. Yeah, guys, I will do the rest later on tomorrow. You know what I mean? Thanks for being here. Damn, I need to do that. What else are you talking about? Or is it already fixed that? I don't even have a. I cannot see it anymore where the problem is. Yeah, if it's not a digit else, that's true, and then this if is gonna be this thing. If it's not a number, That's the buffer Y. For sure. Is this a joke or something? Did I... How is this even possible? Now I need to make sure. It's really hard, man. I'm done. Wait. I'm done. I swear to God, this is done. Now it's GG, well played. Inside else's, not buffer. Where? This is problem, right? Last is missing. Oh yeah, I see. Yeah, but that doesn't work. That's the same problematic problem we have, right? It should be 9. Why is this actually 2? I don't understand that. Last is 2. It should be 9. We can actually do something like this, maybe. Sometimes I do that. I just turn it around. Same thing. Does it even work? I'm not gonna do it. I'm probably gonna do it tomorrow or something. I cannot just do not work in this code anymore. Right now. I hope you understand that this is something you don't want to be in. Yeah, so, but the solution here, I mean, in another language, pretty easy. You check if there is a substring. And then you compare the positions. And take that number. It's super easy. Actually, even better solution would be that you just parse the fucking file and replace these with numbers. That would be, actually, then you just need to replace your file and put it in the same code you had before. That would be even better, but I thought it was a little bit cheating. Because our functions parse the last digit. Yeah, it's excuses. I'm trying to come up with excuses in it. Yeah, I cannot do that. I basically failed, but it's no problem. That's why I said, so most of the time you're never gonna code like 2-3 hours in one phase, right? If you encounter something like that, I would already dip them out, right? If this was not on stream, I would already dip him for a couple of minutes, at least an half an hour or something. Just go fucking vape, eat something, I don't know, go outside, do something else, you know what I mean? And then you come back and your mind is clear and you can think a little bit about it. Maybe you're gonna remove some code, try to rewrite it, try to understand it, and then it's gonna work. Even if I could only just use my something like this, right? If it's just, you know, then I can see much better, you know what I mean? But I couldn't, but that's excuses. Anyway, wait, no, you fixed. Wait, what's going on? Wait, he is her. That's crazy. Wait, she's actually insane. Or he. I think it's a she. Wait, let me read this real quick, actually. Can I dedog this? I can't. Multi-stream. YouTube. I cannot even navigate my own PC. Oh, my chat is gone. What the hell? Oh yeah, read this. Remove the last else and replace it with nothing. Remove the last else and replace it with nothing. This is the last else, and we replace it with nothing. That's good. That's step 1. Step 2. And of course, make last is last result of number before the loop maybe. We're missing 10. Yeah. 4. There should be 4, right? 1. It should be 9. Why is 9 not working? You see, 9, it's not even comprehending that. But wait, are we checking? Yeah, I think the problem is here. If you, yeah, it's this last loop. But I cannot. I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm not gonna do it right now, guys. I'm gonna wrap it up. Sometimes you need to go away with the L, right? You need to take the loss. Sometimes, yeah, unfortunate. Nonetheless, I'm still. I think I'm gonna cry. I have to stream a little bit, but hey, this is what it is. No. So what I'm gonna do, probably, I'm gonna take a break. Right, I'm gonna quit the stream. I'm gonna take a break because it sits in my mind. It consumes me. Right, I'm gonna open up VS Code, my natural habitat, right, where the sys developers live. I know. And I'm gonna re-evaluate this. Very hard to think on stream, not gonna lie. Probably something small. And you're never gonna know if I fix it or not. I can say that I fixed it on Discord or something, but yeah, I can say whatever the fuck I want. You know what I mean? That's what I'm gonna do. Sounds like a plan. Thank you very much. It's already almost 3 hours and my camera is still working. Normally it's overheating. Yeah, it's fine. Overcomplicated a little bit. Like I said, what I would do next time is I would just read the file, swap these things. I would just swap them, right? I have my first solution from day 1, right? I would keep it. This I would basically read and I would replace. I would just replace 2 with 2 and 9 with 9. You know what I mean? And then it's all gonna work fine. Of course, you have this 8. This other problem. What was it? 1-8 problem. But yeah, that's an edge case you can solve. That's what I wait. Remove the last buffer E inside of the for loop. Man, who are you? Who are you? The last one is this. Now we don't need an else then. No. Oh, wait. This is probably what she meant. No! Nothing works, man! Nothing! No. Wait, how can I help? I have this. Wait. Below the first if. Yeah, this one. But now I need to do last equals result number, right? It's the number we have from the results. Now we have something else again. Is this new? Look, Tar. I'm stuck. Leave me alone. She's simplifying the code, that's for sure. But it's something here. It's just like a wrong thingy that needs to be checked, and there are too many houses. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap it up because I need to pee and all that stuff. Last result, what's going on? But she's continuously replying. I cannot. Why are we making the same fucking... Why are we making the same problem again? If this was Rust, we don't have that. I'm gonna appreciate Rust a little bit more. Oh man, I like this. Look at that. I think it's gonna work right now. I think she fixed it, isn't it? And now we need to do it here. Last result. Is this it? Yeah! Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Amine. Labu Dhabi. Labudi. Of course, we're not done yet, but we're gonna leave that thing, guys. We're gonna leave that thing out of here. Let us be honest. Okay, guys, we fixed it. The only thing we need to do. Thank you so much, by the way, Labudi. Thank you so much. It's amazing that you see that. I couldn't even see it anymore. I couldn't just. I just want to leave. My thoughts were basically somewhere else, somewhere in another fucking planet. I see my camera is lagging, so he's gonna overheat also very soon. What needs to be done is this edge case, and then we can just run the normal file. But I'm gonna wrap it up. For the people that could not fix it, this is how you fix, or you could fix it. Yeah, I'm a boy. God fucking damn it! Why are you confusing us? Then you're a girl, and then you're a boy. What's going on? I don't know. I'm confused. I need to get out of here right now, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, and like I said, I would just replace these things. Read it, replace it, man. That's what I would do. To be honest, substring, find substring, remove it. There's something like a replace in Golang. You could do some like, I think there's something like replace a substring with something else, and if it matches, so it's pretty easy. So you could read the file, replace it with numbers, do the 1/8 probably edge case, and call it a fucking day. But no, I wanted to make it a little bit more complex because I just didn't want to read the file and replace it in C. You know what I mean? That's what I would do. That's what I would do. I love you. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Much appreciated.